Here are some more shots of the ranch. During the summer of '77, you see a chipmunk eating some grain out of a bucket there. This is also the summer that I started my watering project, let's call it, in which I'm capturing spring water and piping it to the head of my irrigation system. Trying various features of the camera, overlap, fade ins and fade out. This is a zoom shot showing the ditch that has been dug so far, capturing the spring water. I'd like to slow this down to 6 frames per second to catch the seeping of the hill, really, and the showing of the captured water as it comes out of the tile. Since I have shot this particular film, the project is now complete, and being a drought year, I'm not getting as much water as will be shown here. Notice the seepage of the water as it comes through the gravel bed of the hillside. And then I pan to the end of the tile to see the water flow at this particular time, I was quite pleased at this time. I thought the flow was good. But as the season wore on, the water, of course, became much less. So back to 18 frames per second. And I'm doing a fade in with double exposure here on with Guy, getting a drink out of the spring. Also in the next scene, you'll see Guy walking forward, actually, but I reversed the camera and it shows him actually climbing up the hill backwards. This is Guy's attempt, and a very good attempt, I might say, of capturing his father on the backhoe for a few shovelfuls of dirt, and he zooms in on me in the end and is very steady. Is well pleased. We're not using a tripod. And it seems like I'm very careful with my dirt and with my equipment, let's put it that way. But once again, besides being a green photographer, I'm also a green equipment operator. I wanted him to save some film, but for the next shot, because our daughter was coming up with her horse and she wanted that taken. He kept shooting, and of course I admit he's got a great subject to shoot there.